Marcellus Investment Managers, founded by Surab Mukherjee, is known for strong storytelling and a coffee can investing philosophy. But investors do not compound wealth through narratives, they compound wealth through returns. As of March 2026, the numbers for Marcellus Consistent Compounders PMS raise serious concerns. This video analyzes the recent metrics in detail. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. First, let us talk about the PMS. The benchmark here is Nifty 50 TRI. Inception December 2018. AUM 1606 crores. Minimum investment Rs 50 lakhs. Portfolio consists of 14 stocks. Allocation 51% large cap, 31% mid cap, 15.8% small cap. Top holdings include Trent, Divi's Laboratories, Narayana Hridaya, Tube Investments and Eicher Motors. No lock-in and no exit load. Next, we move on to investment philosophy. The strategy follows a two-stage filtering process. First, it defines companies with double-digit revenue growth, return on capital above cost of capital. Next, consistency maintained for 10 straight years. Then deep research is done to identify business with strong competitive moats. Portfolio remains concentrated with only 10 to 15 stocks and a holding period of 8 to 10 years. The philosophy sounds solid, but investment success depends on live performance and not back-tested ideas. Next, the fee structure, the real cost. Fixed fee 2% per annum irrespective of returns. Next, hybrid and profit sharing model are also available. On a 50 lakh investment, 2% fees means roughly 1 lakh every year. Over 5 years, investors would have paid more than 5 lakhs in fees. Despite this, Marcellus Consistent Compounders PMS delivered only 3.14% CAGR over 5 years. Nifty 50 TRI delivered 10.01%. Investors effectively paid premium fees for below index returns. Next, performance versus benchmark. Marcellus Consistent Compounded PMS underperformed the benchmark across every measurable period: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, and since inception. 5-year performance gap PMS 3.14%, but benchmark 10.01%. Negative alpha 6.87%. Since inception, PMS 9.78%, whereas benchmark 11.59%. This is not a short-term issue. Underperformance has persisted across multiple market cycles. Next, calendar year trend. 2019 to 2021 was the best phase due to the quality stock rally, but from 2022 onwards, performance weakened consistently. Calendar year 2024 return only 3.54%. Calendar year 2025 return only 2.47%. 26 down 15.88%. The strategy appears to struggle during broader market recoveries and sector rotations. Next, decision factor scorecard. What are the major concerns? Negative alpha across all time periods, premium fees without premium returns, higher downside during corrections, large overlap with existing mutual fund portfolio, poor diversification benefit for existing mutual fund investors. What are the positives? Disciplined investment philosophy, low portfolio churn, transparent communication from fund management. Final score 5 out of 8 decision factors fail. The overlap problem. Most HNI investors already own either index fund or flexi cap fund, large cap fund or hybrid funds. Marcellus Consistent Compounder PMS itself is 51% large cap. So instead of diversification, investor may simply duplicate existing exposure. Investors end up paying higher PMS fees for exposure already available through low cost mutual funds. Next, zero based thinking test. Ask yourself one question. If I were starting fresh today, would I invest Rs 50 lakhs into this PMS again? If the answer is no, then the existing investment should be reconsidered. Staying invested purely because money is already invested is a classic sunk cost trap. Every additional year means paying 2% fees, accepting below index returns, and losing potential opportunity elsewhere. Next, we move on to the PMS versus large and mid cap mutual fund comparison. Over 5 years, Rs 50 lakhs in Marcellus Consistent Compounders PMS grows to roughly 58 lakhs. The same amount in a good large and mid cap mutual fund could have become 93 to 97 lakhs. Wealth creation difference, PMS roughly 8 lakhs, mutual funds roughly 43 to 47 lakhs. Mutual funds score higher in 4 key dimensions. First, return, better absolute and risk adjusted return over 3 and 5 years. Cost, total expense ratio of 0.5 to 1%, whereas PMS fees of 2% plus potential performance fee. Tax efficiency, tax deferred until redemption, no tax on intra-funding rebalancing. Next, accessibility, no minimum investment of rupees 50 lakh, SIP from 500. Next, core plus satellite framework, core portfolio, index fund, flexi-cap fund, diversified mutual fund. Goal, stable, low cost wealth creation, whereas satellite portfolio, specialized PMS or AIF strategies, niche opportunities that are unavailable in mutual funds. Here, goal, genuine alpha and diversification. Marcellus consistent compounders PMS with heavy large cap overlap, risk becoming an expensive duplicate rather than a true satellite allocation. Here is our final verdict. First, let us look at what works. Clear investment philosophy, quality focused approach, strong communication and transparency, no lock-in or exit load. Next, we move on to what doesn't work. Negative alpha across all periods, 5-year underperformance gap of nearly 7%, high fee structure, significant overlap with mutual funds, higher downside risk and tax inefficiency. Our final recommendation for existing investors, ask yourself one question. Would I invest rupees 50 lakhs in this PMS today, knowing its past performance? If the answer is no, it may be time to reconsider the investment. Do evaluate long-term capital gains tax implication before exiting, but avoid staying invested purely due to sunk cost thinking. Consult a qualified financial advisor and look for a PMS that genuinely complements and not duplicates your mutual fund portfolio. For new investors, a good large and mid-cap mutual fund has delivered better returns than Marcellus consistent compounder PMS. Lower cost, better tax efficiency and no 50 lakh minimum investment. If you are choosing a PMS, the strategy should provide alpha and diversification that mutual funds cannot offer and not an expensive large cap replica. Bottom line, Surab Mukherjee may be an exceptional communicator, but investors are ultimately paying for returns and not storytelling. And based on performance till March 2026, Marcellus consistent compounders PMS has not delivered the expected value for its cost. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.